All right, today we're on day 2 of the consonant LE, multisyllable words. So our objective is to read, write, and spell multisyllabic words with the consonant LE syllable. Let's review. In a consonant LE, see if you can remember what is in a consonant LE syllable. If you said a consonant letter followed by the letters L and E, you are correct. That is the only spelling for consonant LE is a consonant letter, then the LE. In a consonant LE word, the consonant LE usually comes where? At the end of the word. It usually comes at the end of the word. And finally, in a consonant LE syllable, which syllable is normally accented? If you said any syllable but the consonant LE, you would be correct. The consonant LE is an unaccented syllable. All right, look at the word below. This word is spectacle. Does the word spectacle have a consonant LE in it? Yes, it has the CLE at the end, making it a consonant LE. All right, we are going to spot and dot these multisyllabic words in your syllable book. I'm sorry I don't know the page number, but if you ask a neighbor, I'm sure they can help you. So you're going to spot and dot these words in your syllabication book. When you are finishing spotting and dotting these words, please check your work with the neighbor and read the words to a neighbor. All right, find the multi-syllable word chart pictured here in your syllabication book. You're going to take turns reading every other word with a partner. So partner A reads the first word, partner B the second, then A, and then B, until you get to the end. When you get to the end, you're going to start again, but on the second time, partner B will start. So by the end of 2 reads, you should have read every word. Pause the video and do that now. All right, we're going to skip the other 2 charts and we're going to go to writing multisyllabic words. You're going to put 1 word on each chart. The first word is swindle. What's the word? Swindle. Sound it out as you write it. Swindle. The second word is eagle. What's the word? Eagle. Sound it out as you write eagle. The third word is poodle. Poodle. What's the word? Sound it out as you write it. Poodle. Poodle. The last word is startle. What's the word? Sound out the word startle as you write it. When you are done writing the 4 words, swindle, eagle, poodle, startle, please have the substitute write it up on the board so you can check your spelling. And finally today, we are going to silently read the following passage. Sable finds a marble. If you come to a word you don't know, get out your whiteboard and marker and spot and dot it. You need to read through the passage 2 times.